Alright, hey guys, this is Mrs. Lines. We're going to just take a quick minute to look at how we calculate molar mass. So I have 3 substances here, and I want to calculate the molar mass of each of them. So if you don't already have it, you will need your periodic table for this. Okay? So when we're calculating the molar mass, we're calculating the mass of 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd particles of whatever it is we're talking about. Okay, so if we look at this, the first one that we want to do is N2. All right, what we got to know is when we're doing molar mass, we come to the periodic table. If we're looking for the molar mass of N2, nitrogen has a molar mass of 14.01. Okay, so let's write this down. Alright, molar mass of 14.01. Since we have 2 nitrogen molecules, we're just going to take that times 2, which will give us 28.02 grams. Okay, and that 22.08 grams is the mass of 1 mole. So a lot of times we will write this as 28.02 grams per mole. Okay. And what you'll see when we put that into a truth table, and this is where a lot of people get confused, if we've got to use the molar mass as a conversion factor, we're going to put it in as grams over 1 mole. Or, depending on the way we're calculating, 1 mole over 28.02 grams. There we go. Alright, so the next one is a little bit more challenging, and it's more challenging because we've got our compound and there's parentheses here, and we have to remember what that means. Okay, so to start, let's count our atoms. We have, since there's no subscript directly after the magnesium, remember we assume that we have 1 magnesium. Alright. Inside of our brackets, we have nitrogen and 3 oxygen. All right. However, this 2 is going to multiply. So since there's 1 nitrogen, that 2 tells us we have 2 nitrogen. And then for oxygen, we take 2 times 3, so 3 oxygen. All right. And again, I'm going to go to my periodic table. Magnesium is right here. The molar mass of magnesium is 24.31. So I'm going to write that down. Alright. The molar mass of nitrogen, we just figured that out, is 14.01. But we've got to times that by 2 because we've got 2 nitrogens. And then finally, the oxygen has a molar mass of 16. And why did I write down 3? Should be 2 times 3 is 6. Alright, so we've got 6 oxygen times 16 grams per mole. Alright, so I'm going to plug this into my calculator. I have 24.31. 2 times the nitrogen is 28.02. And 6 times the oxygen is 96.00. So I'm going to add these up. So 33, 10, 18, 14. So our molar mass of magnesium nitrate is 148.33 grams per mole. All right. So the last one on this slide is lithium oxide. So I want you to go ahead and calculate that on your own and plug the answer into the class kit.